dugsiyada nuuraddiin schools.
Hi everybody, I am Ahmed with a new lesson. This lesson is an assignment. It's divided into two parts. The first part is about vocabulary, and the second part is about the grammar. Part 1, our vocabulary section, is subdivided into 3 sections. It has multiple choice questions. You are required to choose the right answers. In the second section of the vocabulary, you have words in a box, and you are required to pick a word from the box and fill it in the empty space in the following sentences. In the third section, we have 18 words. You will match these words with their meanings. In column A, we have the words, and in column B, we have the meanings. In the grammar section, it's also divided in the same way, but it is much more than the vocabulary sections. For each question, you will be given for 10 seconds to consider the right answer. After these 10 seconds, I'm going to give you the right answer, inshallah. So let us start our lesson now. English Form 1 assignment. Part 1, vocabulary. Choose the correct answers. 1. A hero is dash. A person who tricks people. B. A good person in a story. C. A brave or clever guy in a story. Which of these 3 options is correct? Circle the correct word. You have 10 seconds. Well, a hero is a brave or clever guy in a story. So, you have to circle the third option, C. Well, the second question is, folk tales are dash. A. Popular stories. B. Stories of animals as humans. C. Funny stories. You have to choose between these 3 options. You have 10 seconds. Well, folk tales are popular stories. They are popular stories. The third question is, when someone never has enough of anything, he is described as A. Curious. B. Keen. C. Greedy. Well, the right answer is C. Greedy. The fourth question is, conclusion means the A. Middle. B. Ending. C. Beginning. Which one is the correct answer? Well, the correct answer is B, ending. Conclusion means ending. The fifth question is authority means dash. A, the poor. B, those with power. C, the rich. Which one of these words is correct? Well, the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B, those with power. Authority means those with power. Now we are in the second section of the vocabulary part. You are required to choose one word from the box and fill it in the spaces of the following sentence. Complete the sentences with words from the box. 1. He was a dash carpenter. You have now 10 seconds to consider the right answer. Well, we say he was a qualified doctor. 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 I mean qualified carpenter. The second one is he wanted to dash his job. He wanted to dash his job. Well, the right answer is he wanted to quit. We put here quit. He wanted to quit his job. The third question was the carpenter paid a good dash. It's a question. Was the carpenter paid a good dash? Here, the right word is salary. Well, the first one is he has just started his dash as a carpenter. The right word here is career. Career. Well, career is another word for job. The fifth one is who gave you the dash to fix the door. Well, here, the right answer is command. Who gave you the command? Let us move the third part of the vocabulary. This section is matching. You are required to match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Let me read the words first. Pressed, nest, intimately, soap, boarding, inspire, status, reject, destroy, comfort, train, command, unfortunate, register, represent, quit, stranger, shocked. Well, now you have to consider the right answers. You look at the word and you search its meaning in the next column. If I try to do this for you, well, press okay, I'm going to leave this job for you because the answer box is in the other page. Now let us move to the second part of our lesson, the grammar. A, multiple choice questions. It was cold outside, dash, she put on a sweater, choose between yet and so to fill in the empty space. It was cold outside, so she put on a sweater. We choose so, this word. The second one, he has everything we wish for, dash, he is unhappy. Now you have to choose between or and yet. Which is the correct option? He has everything we wish for, dash, he is unhappy. The correct option is yet. Here, the word yet indicates surprise, unexpected surprise, because this person has got everything he wanted, yet he is unhappy. The third one is she put on a sweater, dash, it was cold outside. You have to choose between for and but. Choose the correct option. Here, the correct option is the word for. Because the word for has the sense of because. For means because. She put on a sweater, for it was cold outside. The first one, he can buy the book, dash, he can borrow it. Now you have to choose between these two options. The right option is or. Because this guy is given to choose between two options, either to buy the book or to borrow it. Therefore, the word or is the correct option here. It gives choice. The fifth one, he took the test several times. Dash, he couldn't pass. Now you have got two options, so and but. Now here the correct option is but, because the word but shows unexpected surprise as yet, like yet. Because this guy took the test several times, he tried several times, but he failed every time he tried. So the correct option here is but, which means surprisingly he couldn't pass. 6. She doesn't drink milk. Does she eat butter? Here we have two negative sentences. She doesn't drink milk. She doesn't eat butter either. Therefore, the correct answer is no. The correct answer is no. Seven, Tarp studied a lot. Dash, he didn't pass the test. Now we have got two options, or and yet. Tarp studied a lot means he read and wrote a lot of things. He prepared himself to pass the exam or to pass the test. He didn't pass the test. Now the correct option is yet. Though Tarp studied a lot, he didn't pass the test. Well, the 7th one, the 8th one, I drank some water. Dash, I was thirsty. Now you have got two options. For and. Okay. The correct option is for. The correct option is for. 9, are you cooking rice? Dash, pasta. Now you have got two options, or and but. Which one is correct? The correct one is or. The last one of this part is, the last sentence is, I was very sick. Dash, I couldn't go to school. Now you have got two options, or and so. So the correct option is so. I was very sick, so I couldn't go to school. Well, and that's going to be the end of this session, inshallah. I will be back for another lesson. Thank you for watching, and here is an advice for you. Please revise your lessons Don't think that the schools are closed. If the schools are closed, don't close your books as well. You have to read and revise them time after time, and don't spend your time just sitting before TVs. Thank you for watching. I am Ahmed saying you goodbye, and I'll be back with another new lesson, inshallah.